Welcome to my video on how to achieve financial success. Whether your goal is to build wealth, become debt-free, or secure a stable financial future, there are certain steps you can take to navigate the path to financial success. In today's video, we'll explore 6 key strategies that can help you achieve your financial goals. Let's get started. 1. Set clear financial goals. The first step towards financial success is setting clear and specific goals. Ask yourself what you want to achieve financially in the short and long term. Do you want to pay off debt, save for retirement, or start a business? By defining your goals, you can create an actionable plan to work towards them. 2. Create a budget and stick to it. Creating and sticking to a budget is essential for managing your finances effectively. Track your income, expenses, and savings goals to gain a clear understanding of where your money is going. Allocate funds for essential expenses, savings, and investments. By adhering to your budget, you'll have a better chance of achieving your financial goals. 3. Build multiple streams of income. Relying solely on one source of income can limit your financial growth. Look for opportunities to diversify your income by exploring side hustles, investing, or starting a business. By having multiple streams of income, you can increase your earning potential and enhance your financial stability. 4. Prioritize saving and investing. Saving and investing are key components of achieving financial success. Make it a habit to save a portion of your income every month, even if it's a small amount. Set up an emergency fund to protect yourself from unexpected expenses, and consider automating your savings. Additionally, explore different investment options to grow your wealth over time. 5. Manage and eliminate debt. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial success. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts and create a plan to manage and eliminate all outstanding debts. Consider debt consolidation or negotiating lower interest rates to make repayment more manageable. By freeing yourself from debt, you can redirect your money towards building wealth. 6. Continuously educate yourself. Financial success requires continuous learning and staying informed about personal finance. Read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, or follow financial experts to expand your knowledge. Educate yourself on topics such as investing, budgeting, and money management. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. Conclusion: achieving financial success is a journey that requires commitment, discipline, and a long-term perspective. By setting clear goals, creating a budget, building multiple streams of income, prioritizing saving and investing, managing and eliminating debt, and continuously educating yourself, you can pave the way for financial success. Remember, consistency and patience are key. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and wealth building tips.